So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Thursday the 7th of June. Now let's have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we previously saw prices test the 109.50 for support. We've now had prices head towards that beyond the 110 all the way up towards that 110.20, from which we did see a rejection, had a retest, and we've had a second rejection here from that 110.20. So if we do see this price progression here to the downside, we're looking to see how prices react towards this 109.50. More recently we've tested 109.50 on a couple of occasions. It has acted as support in around that 109.50. So we'll look to see if it does act as support for a retest of the 110.20. If we do fail to hold support at the 109.50, we would then look at a price progression down towards that 108.80 here on the US dollar against Japanese yen. If, however, we do break to the upside of the US dollar Japanese yen, if we do break and hold above the 110.20, we're looking for price progression towards that 110.73, successful break from which we're then looking for prices to head towards that 111 level here on the US dollar against Japanese yen. Similarly to the downside, I would anticipate prices moving beyond the 108.80. The very next level that we do have marked out is at 108.13. Now we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing, so we'll get the scale on here correct. So from a daily chart perspective, we did mention on a couple of analysis videos now that we were looking to see whether we would have a head and shoulders pattern develop here on the US dollar Japanese yen. So we would have the shoulder or head in around that 400 period moving average, pretty close towards that 1160. And the other shoulder in around this 110.20, where we do have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average. So we do have the horizontal level of that 110.20. Previously an area we saw a rejection. Again, we've come in towards that area which we previously found rejection, and we've also had the added confluence of 200 period moving average, increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum come into the market from that level. If we do see the rejection from this 110.20, there is a possibility of having a head and shoulders pattern and seeing price progression here towards the downside. If, however, we can break and hold above the level, especially from a daily chart perspective, it would somewhat invalidate the head and shoulders, and we could see price progression to retest the old highs in around that 111.40s, 111.50s here on the US dollar Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.